Now that we've analysed our S-curve, we want to analyse the project KPIs. And for that, we've got 4 automatically calculated for us in the Nodes and Links AI platform. The first is the SPI indices, the Schedule Performance Index here. And if we click on that, it'll give us the performance index over time. So we can see right now that the project is at 0.73. Now what that means is that we're achieving 0.73 days of progress for every calendar day that occurs in real time. And this is on a basis of measured by duration. In addition to the performance index, we can look at trending. So we can see that this project has got progressively later every single day from current update, which is the 28th of April, all the way back since May. In addition to this, we can also see the compression of the schedule. Now, this is a very interesting one. What a compression of the schedule is if you've got a milestone fixed in time and activities before it, and these activities are being delayed, but that you're holding the milestone consistent, either at some point you have to produce negative float or you erode the float between those activities. This is a measure of the float between those activities. So if the plan is below the actual, what that means is the milestones are moving out faster than the delay is happening in the project if there is a delay. If it's the other way around, where the blue line is below the yellow line, it means the milestones are being held constant and the delay is crushing towards those milestones. That is indicative of a problem. This is a great sense to see if the schedule is being manipulated. If, for example, a team is saying we will hit those dates, yet are delayed in everything they do, this would give you an instantaneous view of that. The fourth KPI is activities per day, which is a proxy for productivity. So, for example, if I took this range here and I remove the actuals, we can see that the average number of activities is roughly 30. The actuals have been less than that. Here it was around 20. Here it is around 32. So we can just get a sense of, on any day in the program, how many activities were supposed to be delivered and how many were actually delivered. Now, given that for most of the days in this section, the plan was more than what actually happened, I'm not surprised that the progress is behind.